Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my kitchen. So I'm going to give you a couple recipes out of this book. I've been following the keto diet and it's been working well. It hasn't been easy, but it's been working well. I had a couple cheat days, but I was still able to lose weight. But looking through this, it actually calls for cauliflower rice, and doesn't give you any tips on cauliflower rice. Now, it's my understanding that you can go and you can buy it in the supermarket, but there's easier ways. So that's what this video is about. It's going to be real quick, and it's just going to be how to make cauliflower rice. Okay, so I'm going to use this. I'm going to make this cauliflower rice because I'm going to post a video later of a dish. Yeah, I'm not going to tell you what it is. And it calls for cauliflower rice, and like I said, I couldn't find it, so I did a quick search, and basically this is how you do it. Yeah. Clean and core the cauliflower. Alright, let me clean this and I'll be back. Okay, so there are two ways you can do this. You can use a food processor equipped with a, well, maybe three ways. Food processor, either with just the blade, or in my case I have a food processor that's got the grating attachment, or a hand grater. I'm going to start with the hand grater and see how much of a pain it is. And basically, this is all there is to it. You used a larger grate, and I think I'm going to stick with this. Less cleanup. Now, I've never used this before, so I don't know what the storage is. I would imagine you can do this ahead of time and store it in containers, you know, airtight containers. Now, this piece of the core, I don't think I'm going to go any further with that. So, this is what you have. All right, there you have it. Cauliflower rice, use it for all your keto recipes. I'll be posting a recipe later, and I hope it comes out okay. I've never had cauliflower rice. John Campo, the Not So Neat Chef. We'll see you.